Tired of marketing tasks stealing all your time? This quick guide reveals how Zapier can automate your marketing, making your life a whole lot easier. We'll walk through a simple, yet powerful example in just a few steps. First, log into your Zapier account and click Create App. This is where the magic begins. Now, choose your trigger app. Let's say you want to automatically add new leads from Facebook lead ads to your email list. Select Facebook lead ads as your trigger, and then choose new lead as the trigger event. This tells Zapier to watch for new leads coming in from your ad. Next, connect your Facebook lead ads account. Zapier will guide you through the authorization process. Make sure you select the correct Facebook page and lead form that you want to monitor. Now, it's time to set up the action. Select Mailchimp as your action app. Choose Add Subscriber as the action event. This is what Zapier will do whenever a new lead comes in. Connect your Mailchimp account and select the audience you want to add subscribers to. Then, map the email field from Facebook lead ads to the email field in Mailchimp. This ensures that the lead's email address is correctly added to your list. You can also map other fields like name and phone number. Review your Zap to make sure everything looks correct, and then click Publish. Your automated workflow is now live. Congratulations! You've just automated a key part of your marketing. Now you can focus on more important things while Zapier handles the repetitive tasks. Subscribe for more Zapier tips and tricks.